Here we have two other fractions to be compared. Remember now, the first thing that you should look at are the denominators. And ask yourself, what is the lowest number that both denominators can go into without leaving a remainder? Now look at the 4, look at the 8. See which one can go into the other without leaving a remainder. So if you can find that one number in the denominator, you may go ahead and do the number at the bottom. If you cannot find a number when you look at it, you will have to multiply it like what I have done before. In this case, you don't have to multiply because I am seeing where 8 can be used as the lowest number that 8 can go into and 4 can go into without leaving a remainder. So sometimes you are able to see the number that you want to use. Like in this case, we can use the 8. So we now have 8. Remember, this line means that you are to divide. And our next step now is to divide this denominator by this 8. So 4 into 8 goes 2 times. I will write that 2 beside the numerator because I am working with the 2 over 4. So this is where I should write my 2 above this numerator right here. Not at the bottom, but at the top. So I'm going to now multiply my answer by the numerator. 2 multiplied by 2 would give me 4. So I'll write the 4 right there. Now I'll do the same thing with the 1 over 8. First, I will divide. 8 divided by 8 gives me 1. I'll put my answer beside the numerator and then I will multiply the answer by the numerator at the top. 1 times 1 would give me 1. So now I have 4 over 8 and 1 over 8. Now which number is greater? So said the 2 over 4 would be greater than 1 over 8. Or we can say 1 over 8 is less than 2 over 4.